Donald Trump Jr. to Newsmax. I don't watch Rhino Fox News. Donald Trump Jr. told Newsmax on Monday that Fox News has become so ridiculous that he no longer watches it. On the Chris Salcedo show, he also said he was once banned from the network for more than 2 years. President Donald Trump's eldest son accused Fox News of going to extreme lengths to look unbiased, only to end up punishing conservatives in the process. Honestly, I don't watch anymore because it is so ridiculous, he said. They try so hard to be unbiased, they are actually biased against conservatives at this point. But this shouldn't be surprising, he said. These are networks that banned me from 2.5 years. I'm barely on anymore. I know my father was banned. He said Fox's approach has left conservatives silent while Democrats and establishment figures get free rein.